Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be checking out this amazing 65-inch TV here from MI, which is the 4K smart TV. So let's go ahead and check out this TV and what it can do for us. We are going to be checking out the 4K content. We're going to be checking out the HD quality. We're going to check out all the different options that this TV has for you. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. I'm a small time YouTuber who's just recently started. All my opinions are based on using this TV. I'm not sponsored or anything, so I'm just gonna give you my honest opinion, guys. So if you like my video, please do hit the like button and please do subscribe, and let's get on to checking out the review of this TV, guys. To start off, let's check out the build quality, which is this slick metallic frame. So as you can see, the frame is really slick and really looks cool, and it has this really nice metallic finish to it, and of course the back is plastic. So anyway, let's move on to the things I like and don't like about this TV, guys. So we are going to switch on to my Tata Sky right now, and we are going to go to a non HD channel. So this is a regular TV channel, which is SD. So as you can see, the picture quality is quite grainy, so and it does not have any detail or anything over here, so it's quite blurry almost, because what happens is the pixels break into so much because of the TV size. It's really not recommended if you don't have HD channels or 4K channels, guys. Okay, so now we are going to move on to checking our HD channels on our DTH. So over here we are going to check out our HD movies, which we have over here. So this is a Hindi movie in HD. So as you can see over here, the quality is quite okay. I wouldn't really have any complaints about the HD over here. So we'll scroll through some of the channels and see the HD content and see what it's like. So we'll go to movies and we'll check out other HD movies. So over here we have Fast and Furious, for example. So as you can see over here, the quality is quite good, and I wouldn't really say it's pixelated, but it tends to give you, suppose for example this movie is quite old, so I wouldn't really form an opinion based on this movie. Let's just try out another option over here, for example, and see the quality. So as you can see over here, this is a more HD movie, so it is quite clear over here and it's quite sharp. So this is your regular DTH channels, which is from Tata Sky in HD. So as you can see, the quality is quite sharp and quite clear. Again, you have something which I have to say is you have to stay at least 8 to 10 feet away from the TV to have a really good sharp quality, or a real sharp detail, guys. So let's move on and check the 4K content now. Okay guys, so now we are going to check our 4K content over here. So we'll just click on the 4K content which we have here on YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this more option over here, and we're going to switch the quality from this to complete 4K, so we can see the quality over here. And then we're going to click on the back option, so it will completely load in complete 4K. So as you can see over here, the picture quality is really good, and it's really sharp in 4K. So if you have good 4K content, this TV is going to work fantastic for you. So as you can see, the picture quality is immaculate over here, and it is really good. So we will just continue to watch a little bit more so you can see the different shades and different lighting. So this is a darker lighting situation, so it is still really sharp, as you can see, and the colors are through to life over here. Something that I really like about this is the HDR. It does not over enhance the video, so it keeps the rich details over here of the video. So as you can see over here, The colors, the green colors are very in detail over here, and it keeps the natural browns as well. And of course, when you're watching 4K, if your internet connection is a little slow, it'll take a little while to load. But of course, over here you can see the content is really good and it's really sharp. So we are going to now check the Netflix video quality. So I'm going to try an Indian channel. As you can see over here, it has ultra HD 4K. So we'll try this one out for now. And as you can see over here, it will come in really good quality. So see over here, so the 4K on Netflix is completely amazing and it's very detailed. So we'll just forward it a bit so you can see over here. Again, something which I spoke about before is the slight dimming you get sometimes on the edges of the TV, but it is fine. It's just the natural look to the TV. I don't know why it happens, or maybe it's just shot in that way. So as you can see, the quality is really good in 4K. Now let's just check another video and see what it's like. So we'll just scroll through different ones and see over here. So these are all Ultra HD. Now we will try a regular HD channel over here. Sorry, not a channel, but a regular HD video on Netflix, and we will forward it a bit so we can see. So as you can see, this is a regular HD, which is quite okay, but of course the movie is a little pixelated on its own. So we will try out something else. So we'll try, for example, Shark Tank over here. So we'll skip the intro and move on to picture quality. So this is regular HD video on Netflix. So as you can see, the quality is quite okay on regular HD, and you can make out everything quite sharp and detailed. So we will try the next one. So when you tend to put the volume very high for a song that has too much treble, the audio will start to crack. So it's not recommended to get the volume too high. You should get another speaker or anything. You can get a MI soundbar. So that is something that is another option to do when it comes to sound. Something I really like about this TV though is it has this Google Play Store which you can download like hundreds of apps. Over here you have many different apps over here, like entertainment, weather apps, different options. You can video editing apps, and Spotify. Spotify is something which you have to get on your TV and connect it to your speaker and play music whenever you have. Another thing that most people don't know is YouTube now has a special option which is called YouTube Kids. For suppose you have kids, so all YouTube content for kids is on this app over here, and they have many different apps. Like you can watch all your your news channels directly from these apps as well. So you don't have to have any DTH or anything. You can watch these for free. Okay, so those are the App Store, guys. So besides that, let's just scroll a bit down and see over here. So this, they give you like all the different apps that you have, and over here you have live news from all these channels, which is absolutely free. You can watch this anytime as long as you have an internet connection. Over here you'll have all your popular TV shows, your basically everything over here, guys. So you can watch any popular Hollywood movies or anything. Of course, you have to have Amazon Prime or Hotstar or Netflix for these, as these are from these popular streaming channels. So you have many free options as well over here from different streaming platforms. My opinion of this TV, I definitely recommend buying this TV. Now, one thing you should keep in mind before buying this TV is if you don't have the space, then this is not the TV for you. You should probably get a 55-inch because this is a 65-inch TV and you need at least 10 feet distance between you and the TV, so you can get a good picture quality or the detail and enjoy it. So that is one of the things I would definitely recommend, and I would really recommend this TV because it is a really good TV and the quality is really good. I've checked out the Panasonic, I've checked out Sony, I've even checked out the OLED TVs, and I still found that this TV was a really good TV for the price. So you can buy this on Flipkart and you can buy it directly from MI's website, and you can buy the 2 years extended warranty on either website, and that is really something that you should buy. Something else that you have to buy is the wall stand if you're going to be putting it on the stand, a wall stand, and that cost 499 rupees. And then you have some of the accessories which you can buy, which I will link in the description below. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Please do like and subscribe. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to comment below and I will reply it as soon as possible. So thank you for watching.